This is Aryan Peru, passionate tree climber and arborist with the brand new GTA 40. Let's have a closer look on the tech details. The GTA 40 weighs only 2.1 kilos, including AS batteries. With impressive 520 watts of power, it is a compact powerhouse. It has a handy pistol grip and perfect speed control. This is the side-axis chain tensioner. And this is the STIHL patented toolless oil cap, compatible with the familiar filling system. Smart detail. A carry ring for a strap, easy to attach. Oh, I see he likes it. The open guide bar allows the arborist perfect cuts from bottom to top and from top to bottom. The GTA 40 is perfect for the work in the tree. And of course, on the ground. In addition to the classic arboricultural applications Aryan is doing day by day, the GTA 40 can be useful for other jobs. For example, drywall construction, roofing work, in fact, for the woodworking industry in general. The GTA 40 is IPX4 rated, so Aryan is able to work in all weather.